Okay. Hey, Maisie. Get ready to record.
Oh. Did anyone hear my inspiring speech? Nobody?
Uh-uh.
I said, "Hey fam," and then I burped.
I didn't even hear the burp.
I said, all right, fam." And then I burped inspiringly, inspirationally.
Oh, I was inspired.
Hey, family!
Burp.
I am always inspired by rain releasing gases.
No. No.
Really? It makes me upsetty.
Spider Bro, Spider Bro, does whatever Spider Bro does.
No one switched to Winston yet.
That was a crazy kill.
Cody, this is a very serious question. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you mentally?
I'm fine.
God.
Well, wait a minute. Did someone just say that they wanted to get drunk?
Everything tastes like blood. Okay.
You probably shouldn't suck helium, then, dumbass.
Wait,
Those,
Yeah.
You gotta stop.
you
gotta
those like guys with the covers
stop
on their
her
heads.
from misusing her like list.
wait, can you see my like list, babe? The rain? That
No, you know those
what?
guys with like the covers on their heads?
Oh my god, bro, do you remember when you used to say that all the time and it pissed me off so much?
Did I?
Yes, you did! It was like middle school or something. I'm like, stop it, stop. And you knew it pissed me off and you thought it was hilarious. You kept doing that all the time.
I called you babe all the time.
Yes, you did! It was
I don't
horrible!
do this. It sounds like
It was
so
horrible.
much fun.
Oh, I shouldn't be reminding you of this.
Oh,
You should
Don't do
really
it.
shouldn't.
late, babe.
I shouldn't. I forgot you
never
guys were
items
playing
apparently.
Dark Souls, and I thought it's meant like actual everyday real life barrels. They're sometimes crystal lizards. And I was like,
Yeah, well, there's sometimes.
Why would
are
I ask if there's
real
just
life
sometimes things in barrels?
We're
shots
we're
fired.
having a lock.
Da-da-da-da-da.
Shots fired.
That happened to
That's
me.
such a
before.
good idea.
Jump
Operation Scare Away Maisie Boop.
No!
Hello,
No,
I'm
I'm
Rain,
back
and I'm
from that.
addicted to having bad aim.
This is a
Bad
AA
aim,
meeting.
anonymous.
It's a
It's AAA meeting. This is a AAA meeting. We're gonna talk about car insurance today.
it's a we're having an official BA meeting for badass or bad aim. The
Oh, by the way, I'm about to scare all your boots.
we have to call it. We have to start the meeting. Who wants to go first?
I will go first because I am the subject of this meeting. I think this meeting should be abolished or discontinued.
Abolished?
Any second?
I would like to call for a vote of no
Or something.
confidence in Lorraine Jean. Jean.
Vote granted. From
My name is Rain Jean, and I am a bad aim.
I am a bad name. Yes.
And now you
My
have to tell us about how it makes you feel.
I hit rewind. I'm mad.
Get to the okay. I was gonna say I threw a shield down trying to save you.
I can save myself. I am
But you're-
an independent Lucy
Ah!
that don't
At least
need
you
no
didn't say-
pay.
Oh,
Black
don't go to the back area.
Don't go in the back end. It's not as fun as it sounds.
Okay.
It's an exit, not an entrance, for a
Do
reason.
not go. Okay, thanks, guys. I was trying to have you just fucking shut me down. Trying to be like a useful teammate and trying to make a call out or something.
Don't go in the back end, Cody.
Bro, no, no.
I was gonna say.
Trying to be like a useful
Oh my
something
god!
or other.
That freaking Symmetra just killed me so fast!
She just killed you so super hard. Maisie has no room on her hard drive to record.